Rage on that beat.
What's up, YouTube? Cargo back with another one. I'm gonna be getting a new mask soon. RTB hit me up, said they got one for me, so I'm gonna slide over there soon and get me a new mask. A lot of people been, saying, but Anyway, give y'all a quick little update. What I gotta do with this one, so we gotta get the K member back up straight and bolted on right. Oh, you can clean the inside up. The motor is getting put together for this car right now. Changing the brake lines on this one for that one over there. But once the motor is done with this car, put everything back together. You already know what it is. Bitch. But yeah. Car been out in the desert chilling for a while. So that's why it's like this. Dirty, we gonna get her cleaned up. Looking right, she might get repainted. Santi is gonna be back in the street soon. Got the bare brakes on there. Running back. But that's just giving y'all a little update. LS Fest. Here we come. SSBJ, you said you going? You gonna be going?
Huh?
You gonna be going to LS Fest?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, see, SSBJ said he gonna be there, so. We get to see these two act up in the streets in Donut Box, maybe, who knows, on the track, I never know. But, check it out later. What's going on, YouTube? Cargo back with another one. And we at the Humble Abode today, as y'all can see. And what are we doing at the Humble Abode today? Working on something as usual. So let's go ahead and check it out. So boom. It's a different venue setting, different look for this car down here. It's actually kind of, I think that would be a nice little picture right there. It actually would. I might have to take some pictures, but show y'all what we got going today. Boom. So, as you already know, did the rear end on that thing. So, either didn't tighten the bolt all the way or I forgot to put it in. But yeah, it's missing bolt and placing that motherfucker right the foot now. Get that thing right on in there. Boom. Sorry I covered the camera for y'all, but and also I did an oil change on it the other day. And I'm gonna put a clip in. I'm gonna insert the clip in here now to show y'all what the oil looked like before. Bam. You see where it's chilling at idle? Right here. But that's like 20 PSI, I think. Is that too low at idling or it should be more? Y'all see that? And then now I'm gonna insert another clip what the oil level look like now. Boom. All right, so I did the oil change. I saw the clip of what the oil was chilling at idle. Now y'all can see the difference after the oil change. Shoots right up to 40, and that's at idle. That's what the oil level is supposed to be at, unlike how it was before. So yeah, we fixed that issue right there. So that's there, that's that. And y'all see that, so got that issue fixed. Now the oil level's back A1. I'm gonna lift this side up to show y'all the other problem, and I'll be right back with y'all. And as you can see, tires off the ground. Can't spin freely. So we got a caliper lockup or a hub situation here. So we're about to figure out what the fuck is going on. But as you can see, it's off the ground. Not touching the ground whatsoever. And Jack is over there. So check y'all out. So I'm back and I'm done. Give y'all a recap of what I did. So I did the oil change, changed the oil. Y'all see the calipers right there with the rotor on there. Y'all wondering why it's the old rusty one on there. Don't even trip, we're gonna be ordering some new rotors. So they're gonna look fresh. We just had to do this to test it out right now. We are having a problem. Look at this shit. Woo, this mother caliper was locked on the rotor. I couldn't even take it off. This motherfucker was stuck, boy. Still stuck. So had a donor car at the shop, luckily. Took the caliper off that thing. Took the rotor off of it, put it on there. My bro about to go drive it to see if it will lock up again. If so, we are gonna have to replace the hub, the ABS box, and then that should be everything with this. Besides, we do have one more thing to change on this. I'm supposed to be changing the rack and pinion. And after we get that done, that was just all repair work. We'll be done with the repair work, and then we're gonna go to the performance mods. That's the only reason why we didn't get the headers and all the other good stuff yet, because we still have to get this shit straight. So hopefully everything work now. Stuck motherfucker up. No good. Warped and fucked up and shit. So we'll be taking it out to make sure everything works properly. What's the deal, YouTube? So it's gonna end the video out because I'm at the shop. Got a boost it over there. Then let's see, we at the shop and I caught somebody working. But look, he got the murderer gloves on. So if you need a hitman for hire, Booster got you. Look like he cleaning the air filter on his car. I'll close this video out. This shit looks. There you go. Then you got Fly Fresh over here. Look like he's putting on the decals on his Camaro. So it'll look a little different. And a few times you'll see him working.
Nigga? What are you saying? What?
And then we got the transmission over here. That's gonna get rebuilt soon. So, and that's for this car. So, but yeah, so that's a couple things going on before, you know, the LS Fest. You see, you got the sides on already. Just gotta pull them off. Put the top on. That actually looks pretty good. I like the way that fits.
So about an hour and a half.
That's the dust of everything. Yeah, I know it's good though. Real good. And guess y'all check out next time. I will drop his YouTube in the description down below. Y'all go over there and watch his videos, like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Car Groove's page. I see y'all. I got my little yearly YouTube review, and 82,000 of y'all watch my shit, but only 171 subscribe. We're gonna have to turn that number up some. So yeah, go ahead, subscribe to the video. You already know what it is. Active Performance, and we out.